Hey guys, how you doing? It's Fraser. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are covering something that maybe some people are a little bit embarrassed about because there's an assumption that you should know how to do this, but I'm here to tell you, like, it's okay, you shouldn't know how to do it unless you've been shown, and that's using lifting straps but effectively. So if you've walked up to the bar and you've got to your heavy set and you've tried to mess around with these and they don't seem useful or helpful, it's because you're not using them correctly. In this video we're going to look at just your regular lifting strap, this one courtesy of the USE, thank you, but you can pick these up for like 10 bucks. Now there are different kinds that cost more, or there's a figure of eights. These are just your good old fashioned, they'll do the trick, they'll do the job, and they make a big difference lifting straps. Now let's talk about grip. I recommend athletes or whoever use a hook grip up to the point where they just can't lift anymore, so it might be 80-85% depending on how strong you are. And then if you're deadlifting or pulling and you want to use, there's some mosquitoes here, if you want to use lifting straps, that's absolutely fine in my book. If you're a power lifter and it's not in your sport, obviously don't use it, but as an athlete you're going to be doing chin-ups and doing other things that work on your grip, so just because you use these doesn't mean you're going to have a weak grip. It really doesn't. Okay guys, let's get into it. Let's look at how to use lifting straps so they're really effective and allow you to pull safely, strongly, without grip being a limiting factor. Let's go. So guys, step one is making sure that you have the straps on correctly. The amount of times I see people use them incorrectly just because they've put them on incorrectly. Alright, so you want to have it that it's going across your palm like this, okay, and then nice and tight around your wrist, so like this, nice and easy. Okay, from there all you need to do is go overhand with the strap going under, and then wrap it once and lock in. Yes, it might look pretty if you keep wrapping around, but there's really no need to, okay? You just need to go round once, take your grip, there'll be a bit of extra strap, like who cares, it doesn't make a difference to your grip, okay? Same thing on the other side, we're going double overhand. You are going to go overhand, strap under, take your grip, and then all you need to do is twist the bar a little bit to make sure all the tension's going through your wrist and there's a really strong connection to the barbell, all right? The reason why you want to go double over with the straps under is because if anything goes wrong, so if you need to open your hands and let go, then you can do that really easy. Okay, so that's it guys, it's really simple to do, alright? And again, once you've seen it once and you've been shown once, you know, you'll never have to be shown again. Very simple stuff. It does make a difference, it does help. And that's all I have for you today guys. So this video is useful for you, you find the content useful, as ever, please do hit the subscribe button, share with someone that might need to see this video, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers guys, ciao for now.